You've had other chiropractic stuff. How would you describe this as to what you've had?
And the past was just sort of basic. They just did the press down right there. They didn't ever do any of the other stuff.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Dr. Chris Lewis at Chiro Plus in Jackson, Tennessee, and we have Mr. Zach with us. And Mr. Zach comes in with some pretty severe low back pain. He rates it when it's at its worst as a 15 out of 10. Right now it's not that bad, but he's kind of coming in so it doesn't get that bad. He's up on his feet a lot at work. He works at the hospital. He's got a very stressful job. He was in a bad car wreck about 10 years ago involving an 18-wheeler, so he's got some pretty significant trauma to his spine. I'm sure he's got a lot of fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue around his joint capsules. So kind of with talking with Mr. Zach and the consultation and history, he kind of described how he just feels he has pain that starts in his low back and feet even and travels all the way up to his neck. And so, that kind of perked my ears, and I told him I think he would benefit from the manual decompression. So we're going to give that a go. But first, we're going to go ahead and do the biophysical adjustment. So go ahead and lay on your stomach for me. And going from sitting to standing is pretty difficult, pretty painful, which is pretty common with low back pain issues. So you can see we got a mildly short right leg. Now when I bring this up, that tightens up in his low back, doesn't it? Yeah. I want you to go ahead and keep this whole leg straight, raise it up as high as you can for me. Drop it. Let's try the left one. Drop it. Is the right one still more difficult for you?
Yes.
Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to stretch out your lower back. And this is another way that we can decompress your lower back. It's very, very comfortable. So you're going to feel this table start to move here. Doing okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Have you ever had anything like this?
No, sir.
Good. This just helps to induce motion in those joints. Just another way to get them moving. Throughout the past 10 years, Mr. Zach has tried other chiropractic care, physical therapy, and things that, have helped but not really provided long-lasting relief. So we're excited for him to try that the Ring Dinger manual decompression tool, because we think that's going to make a big impact on him. It's not fun when you hurt, is it?
No.
Mm-mm. Good. All right. Raise that right leg again for me, high as you can. Drop it. Good. Do the left one. Making a little progress already. Okay. Drop that one. Now you're gonna feel a little massage gun type thing here. Okay, raise that right leg as high as you can for me. Drop it. Do it again. Drop it. One more time. Drop it. Good. Let's do the left one, high as you can. Drop it. One more time. Drop it. One more time. Drop it. Good. Feeling okay?
Oh, that feels good.
Yeah, I didn't make a chair. You just sit in and have it do it to you.
Oh, yeah.
Or a bed. A bed would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yes, it would. I thought of that real quick.
Alright. So the next thing you're gonna feel is like a little jackhammer. So this just helps to put motion, further motion into the joint. Raise that right leg up as high as you can. Drop it. Try the left one. Drop it. Good. Is it feeling a little bit easier?
Yeah, especially the right one.
Yeah.
I don't have the pain like it did.
Good. Tender. Good. Okay, let's see. Got them even. You feel how both of them are hitting? Does that feel any lighter?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yes. The other ones, they just push on your back and snap it. That was all it was done.
Uh-huh. Well, now we're getting to that part. All right, you're gonna feel this table pop up. And it's gonna drop like that, okay? We're gonna start on this right side because you're a little rotated on the right. Little drop. And then here's your tailbone. Here's your left. Okay, raise that up as high as you can for me. Drop it. Do the left one. Drop it. That's good, man. All right. Next three might be a little tender, okay? L5, L4, and L3. We're just going to go straight down here on L5. Here's L4. And here's L3. Good. Doing okay?
Yeah, those were tender.
I know. They usually are. All right. Keep breathing normally. Good. Doing okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Woo! All right, now, the key to this one is just to allow me to move your head, okay? So you just let that relax. Good. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. So let that bend. Woo! All right, lay on your back for me. Wow.
Pepper shaker.
It's been 6 years though, right? Since you've been adjusted? About
6 years.
Yeah. A lot can happen in 6 years. All right. Let's see. Now we found on this left side, right up in there. Let's check the right. All right. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to wiggle your left big toe. Good. Deal. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna check your ankle out here. that feel?
That's good. That's what I needed right here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let that relax. There you go. Good. Okay, let me help you sit up here. There you go. And swing to your left for me. I'm gonna shoot you.
Alrighty.
Alright, look left for me. Look right. Look straight. Go left. Go right. Go straight. Bend back. Good. Okay, look left. Look right. Look straight. Bend back. Go left. Go right. Go straight. Good. Relax. Awesome. Alright, look left. Look right. Look straight. Does that feel smooth as far as movement goes?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now we're going to work on your shoulders.
Okay.
You're right-handed?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Alright, bend this here. Let this rotate. Now let this kind of drop. Good.
Actually felt good getting it finally popped.
That's right. Alright, let that drop. Now, you ever had your elbows just?
No.
Okay, relax that one. There you go. What do you think about that?
I like that. Just don't pull the middle finger.
Don't pull the middle. Yeah. Alright, here's the next one. Okay, relax there. Good. Come on over here. So you're gonna sit here and lay on your back.
Like a waterboarding session.
I know it. But no, and that's why I was telling you, I do every joint because the more joints that are moving, the more likely we're gonna have pain control, natural pain control. All right, scoot back this way a little bit. That's good up there. Just let this thing manual. So you should feel a difference in your low back when this thing elevates. Scoot back this way. Perfect, that's good. You kind of feel how it takes pressure off your low back?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now this is going to be a little tight on you, okay? Put your hands right up here. There you go. But the tighter it is, the better the adjustment is. There we go. Pretty tight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to keep your teeth together.
Okay.
I'm actually going to lower that. There you go. Keep your teeth together, and I want you to blow out through your nose. Big breath.
Ooh, yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah. How far did you feel it?
All the way down. All the way down.
So all that scar tissue, fibrotic adhesions from the wreck, we just broke.
Okay.
So now you're going to have more range of motion in the low back. And it shouldn't bother you as much. Okay, when you ready to sit up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There you go. Swing to your left for me. So it's a big time adjustment, isn't it?
Yes.
Never having that done, it is a big time adjustment. Every time won't be as massive, you know. I mean, like it'll get smoother every time you get that done. So you've had other chiropractic stuff. How would you describe this as to what you've had in the past? Is it
The one I had in the past is just sort of basic. They just did the press down right there. They didn't ever do any of the other stuff.
Yeah. And from a neurological standpoint, we want to affect as many joints as possible because, like I was telling you, the more restricted joints you have, the less likely you are to be able to fight pain naturally. So we want to get you moving. So moving good. How would you describe this? Was it kind of what? I mean, I tried to explain it to you. It's hard to explain it until you get it done. But did you feel it down low?
Yes, the entire spine. I felt it.
Yeah. So common things are to be sore for 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
But ice right on the skin, about 20 minutes right on the skin is good. Okay. Drinking a lot of water, that's good.
Yes.
And like I said, don't just sit. Keep moving, that sort of thing. But no, I think you're gonna be good, man. And like I said, the more times you get this done, the smoother the pull will be. And you won't get as sore either. So, So if you need a good chiropractor, we'd love to help you out. You can go online at chiroplusjackson.com or call us at 731-736-4200.